Welcome, today in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's just open the notification panel, and somewhere here you should find the screen recorder icon. Just to start screen recording, click here once on this icon, and after that you can use here the microphone. Just to use it, click here to the microphone icon. When the microphone is activated, this icon is in a blue color. Just to turn it off, click here on this icon again. So just with the help of the microphone you can command your screen recording here, and just if you want to turn it off, you'll just record the mute video. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.